Said you.
It's okay, it's okay. I will wait here. I just show here what kind of convenience store you have here. Ito po ang kanilang convenience store. Hindi po siya 7-Eleven or what. Ayan po. What? It's closed? What is it? We don't have nothing? What happened, Mahal?
Very nifty. I touch.
Ayan po, pero everything is here. They have everything here. Oh, we have in our house. We have in our house.
Yeah.
Pizza mamaya.
Yeah.
We have coins. Ito po ang kanilang convenience store. Ayan. So baby, say hi. Magandang gabi. Hello. Ay, the brakes. The brakes will be here. This one. Oh, sorry. It's my favorite snack cracker. And my karta, I get my money. Forget in the car. Hi po mga ka-ating evening, gabi po dito. Sa atin po ngayon is midnight. Okay? Kasi po 5 hours ahead ang ating gap, time gap po ng Pinas. Okay, I have you. 99150743. Okay, see you around. See you again. Bye.
99.
43.